What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight, and today we're going to be talking about the update that we just got on the Galaxy A72, and it's actually pretty big. So if you have this phone, definitely stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully everyone is having a good day. We have the Galaxy A72 in here, and we got a new update that's a little bit over 400 megabytes, so it's a pretty big update. And I'm going to be showing you how to download that right now and where to go to get that done, and also what's going to be happening after this update, because it seems that all of these phones got security patches. So the Galaxy A52 5G right there had a security patch, and the regular A52 as well. So I'm super excited to be talking about the A72's update. So what you're going to want to do, it's going to be very simple, is you're going to scroll to the drop down bar menu right here. If you guys don't have this alert right here that shows you the update is postponed, all you're gonna have to do is go to settings. And the really cool thing about Samsung is actually they put the alert for every update in your settings box. So if you guys want to check for updates later on, if you guys are thinking you have an update, all you have to do is go to the settings application and it's going to show you right up there. But we're going to click later right here. We're going to scroll down, then we're going to click on software update. Now after that, we're going to go ahead and click on download and install. And as you guys see, if we scroll down right here, the update is going to be 422 megabytes, so about half a gigabyte. But as you guys see, update is ready to install. It says it's going to be a security patch update. So it says a software update can include, but is not limited to, device stability improvements, bug fixes, new and or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. And it also says to get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check the software updates. We also have more information. It's pretty much going to show you the same thing that we saw up here. But if you guys want to check that out, you can go ahead and do so. And this is the software update information. So it gives you the version right here. It gives you the size and the security patch level. So all of these actually just got the April 1st update that you see behind me. All of those phones got the security patch update. And as you guys can see, it gives you a little warning of caution. It says you won't be able to use your phone during the update, even for emergency calls. Some settings may change after the update. And it says this update shouldn't affect your personal data, but it's always a good idea to back up your data just in case. So if you guys would like to go ahead and back up your data, definitely go ahead and do so. But we have two options to install this. You can schedule the install. You can go ahead and click on that right there, and you can click which time you would like to install this. So it's not when you're awake and using your phone and need your phone handy. So you guys can go ahead and set that, which I think is really cool. And we also just have the update to go ahead and install now, and that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. This is probably gonna take about 7 to 8 minutes. On the Galaxy A52 for the 800 gigabyte one, it was about 9 to 10 minutes, I'd say. And then the Galaxy A52 was 3 to 4. So the A72 with 400 megabytes should be very, very quick. So you guys shouldn't really have to worry about that. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.